If you've ever wanted to add a clear, crisp box to a PDF, maybe to highlight important information, draw attention to a signature area, or simply tidy up your document, today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to show you, step by step, how to draw a box in any PDF using Adobe Acrobat in 2024. By the end, you'll know not only how to create a box, but also how to make it look just the way you want. Let's get into it. First, open up your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. This works in either the Pro or Standard versions, so don't worry, you don't need any special add-ons or extra tools. Once your document is open, take a moment to look around if you're not already familiar with the interface. You'll find a few key tabs along the top of the screen, and these are super helpful for finding what we need. Next, head to the Tools tab at the top. Click on Tools, then scroll or search for the Comment tool. When you select it, Adobe shows the Comment toolbar, which is basically your toolbox for marking up PDFs. You'll see all kinds of options here, but the one we're after is the Drawing Tools icon. This icon might look like a marker or sometimes a set of shapes depending on your version. Click it, and from the drop-down choices, pick the Rectangle tool. The Rectangle tool is exactly what we need for drawing perfectly straight edge boxes. Now comes the fun part, actually drawing your box. Just click your mouse at the spot where you want one corner of the box to start, then drag it out over the part of the PDF you want to highlight. You don't have to be perfect on your first go. You can always reposition or resize it later. Take a second and imagine you're framing a photo. Your box will essentially frame whatever area you choose. At this point, you've got a basic box, but let's make it look great. If you want to customize your box to match the rest of your document or give it a specific style, just right-click on the box you created. Choose Properties from the menu that appears. Here's where you get full control. You can set the fill color to no color. That's the icon with a white box and a red line through it. If you want the inside of your box to stay transparent, this is really useful if you only want to outline an area without covering up any text or images underneath. You can also adjust the border color. So if you want your box to stand out, maybe pick a bright shade, red, blue, or whatever works for your document. The line thickness slider helps you make the border as bold or as subtle as you like, and the opacity lets you make your box more or less transparent. If you always want your boxes to look this way, check the box that says Make Properties Default. That way, every future box will use these settings without you needing to redo them. Once you're happy with the look of your box, click OK to save your changes. You've done the hardest part. Remember, customization is all about making your document personal and professional. So tweak those settings until you're satisfied. Finally, don't forget to save your document. Just go up to File, then click Save. This step locks in all your edits, including the new box, so everything's permanent. It's always good practice to double-check that your changes are still there after saving. And there you have it, a quick, easy way to draw and style a box in Adobe Acrobat, perfect for your 2024 workflows. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to share how you're using boxes in your PDFs, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Be sure to subscribe for more simple, effective tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.